Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Sparkle English, where I teach you how to improve your level of English. In today's video, we're going to talk about regular versus irregular plural nouns in English and how to make nouns plural. First of all, singular and plural nouns refer to the quantity of something. Singular nouns refer to just one person, place, thing, or idea. For example, a cat, a book, a tree, an animal. Plural nouns refer to two or more people, places, things, or ideas. For example, cats, books, trees, animals. Now, usually we just add an S to a noun to make it plural, as you can see in these 4 examples. However, there are other rules for making plurals. We have rules we follow for regular plural nouns, and then we have rules for irregular plural nouns. And there are also words that don't have any rules, and you just have to memorize the plural form. We are also going to have a quiz at the end of this lesson. So first of all, let's talk about the basic rules to form regular plurals. With most nouns, we just add an S. Bird, birds, dog, dogs, table, tables, computer, computers. This is very simple. Singular nouns that end with S, X, CH, or SH, we add ES. So boss becomes bosses. Box becomes boxes. Church becomes churches. Bush becomes bushes. And most nouns ending with a consonant plus Y, we change the Y to I and add ES. So baby becomes babies with IES and no Y. City becomes cities. Spy becomes spies. Penny becomes pennies. Here are some sentence examples. There are many chairs and tables in the library. After packing the fragile items into sturdy boxes, they delivered them to local churches in different cities. Now let's talk about some rules with common irregular plurals. Most nouns ending with FE, we change the F to V and add S. So knife becomes knives. Not knifes with an F, knives. Life becomes lives. Wife becomes wives. And nouns ending with F, we change the F to V and add ES. So wolf becomes wolves. Loaf, like a loaf of bread, becomes loaves. Leaf becomes leaves. And nouns that end with O, we add ES. Potato becomes potatoes. Tomato becomes tomatoes. Hero becomes heroes. So here are some sentence examples. As the leaves began to fall in the forest, the howls of the wolves echoed in the distance. In the fantasy world filled with brave heroes and towering volcanoes, adventure and danger awaited at every turn. Now let's look at more common irregular plurals. Here are some nouns that change vowels in the plural form. So we have 1 foot, but we have 2 feet. We have 1 goose, but we have many geese. 1 tooth, several teeth. 1 mouse, many mice. And here, these are very common irregular plurals in English. 1 man and 2 or more men. And listen to the pronunciation of The next one, one woman. I am a woman. And the plural form is women, women. One woman, two women. And these are nouns that you have to memorize in the plural form. There aren't any rules, you just have to memorize them. There are also some plurals where the word changes or the ending changes. And again, you have to memorize these. One child, two or more children. Childs is not a word. We have ox, oxen. We have person, but the plural form is people. One person, two or more people. One die, two dice. So this is one die, and this is a pair of dice. The children are playing a game they invented using a pair of dice. There are also some irregular plurals that do not change. They stay the same in the singular form and in the plural form. For example, sheep. The farmer has one sheep, or the farmer has two sheep. That is a goldfish. Those are goldfish. So we use the same noun even if we're talking about more than one. Deer, deer. Moose, moose. Trout, trout. And some other nouns that do not change. Aircraft, spacecraft, watercraft, and hovercraft. When we use these words, we may be referring to one aircraft or more than one aircraft. For example, several spacecraft were launched simultaneously to explore different regions of the solar system. So now it's time for our quiz. There are 10 sentences in total. You need to correct any mistakes that you see with irregular plurals. Let's begin. Number 1. The hiker saw 5 deers in the forest yesterday. Number 2. My cat was chasing 2 different mouses in the house. Number 3. The fisherman caught several fish, including trouts. Number 4. The women were caring for their children. Number 5. He has a collection of ancient knives from different cultures. Number 6. The farmer had to shear the sheep before winter. Number 7. The bakery sells delicious loaves of bread every morning. Number 8. Mom read a book to me about mooses and gooses. Number 9. The men and women raked the leaves on the ground. And finally, number 10. The museum displayed artifacts from peoples around the world. So let's correct these together. The first one is incorrect. It should be 5 deer in the forest. No S after deer. Deer is an irregular plural, and it stays the same in both singular and plural forms. Number 2 is also incorrect. My cat was chasing 2 different mice. Mice is the plural form of mouse. Number 3 is incorrect. Fish is correct. The fishermen caught several fish, including trouts. Trouts is incorrect. It should not have an S at the end. Trout stays the same in both the singular and plural forms. Number 4 is incorrect. The women were caring for their children. Children is the plural form of child. Women is correct. Number 5 is correct. He has a collection of ancient knives. Knives is the plural form of knife. Number 6 is incorrect. The plural form of sheep is sheep. It stays the same. And number 7 is incorrect. We don't write loaves of bread. We have to change the F to V and add ES, loaves. And number 8 is a tricky one because mooses and gooses are incorrect. It should be moose and geese. And this is confusing because the singular form of moose is moose, and the plural form is also moose. However, the singular form of geese is goose, and it changes to geese. So why doesn't moose change to meese? English has some fixed rules, but a lot of English is memorization. So you have to memorize moose, moose, goose, geese. Number 9 is correct. The men and women raked the leaves. Leaves is the plural form of leaf. And finally, number 10 is incorrect. We do not write peoples with an S. We write people. People is the plural form of person. One person, two people. Okay, so let me know in the comments section how many you got correct out of 10. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. Make sure to like this video and check out my other grammar lessons by clicking on the links in the description below or on any of these boxes that you see pop up on the screen. Thanks again for watching. I will see you in my next lesson.